So, from that thought, well, from those three thoughts, what if racism didn't exist? What if I took responsibility for my behavior and I could create and implement solutions? And then third, what about teaching Black families and white families how to raise liberated children? How to teach parents how not to raise racist and oppressed children. Yeah. That's what came. And so I want to give a little bit more clarity as to what I understand oppression to be, because oppression is really this idea. I'll talk about how it's manifest, because what it is it's manifest because someone is in a position where in their subconscious mind they are less than, and they manifest their power by seeking power over someone that they have personally deemed to be lesser than them. So this is why children are often treated as less than. This is why women are often treated less than. This is why people in the LGBTQIA plus, please forgive me if I got that wrong, why they're deemed as less than, because somebody feels subconsciously that they are less than, so they seek power over somebody that they deem as less than them, and that makes them feel empowered. Put them in a political position or a leadership position, and then that person becomes dangerous, because then they lead others to believe the same thing. And we've seen that. We've seen that a lot lately. We've seen that all across the spectrum, all across the board. And the way that we change that is not by expecting them to change, it's by changing ourselves. Because it's way easier for us to change ourselves than to force somebody else to change without then becoming an oppressor ourselves. Right? How else do you get somebody to change without forcing them to do it? Then you become an oppressor. The oppressed become the oppressors. And that's what racism is about anyway. Oppressed people oppressing others from the perspective of color, skin color. Molestation, rape, crime, those are all manifestations of oppression. Poverty is a manifestation of oppression. In fact, poverty is equal to oppression. But poverty is not about money. And that's what I'm going to talk about next.